How to change name on Warface. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change name on Warface. Changing name on Warface is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Warface and log in. Launch the game and log into your account if needed. Go to Profile. Navigate to the profile typically found in the main menu or by tapping on your avatar. Find the name change option. Look for an option related to account, profile or personal information. Select the name change or edit username. Enter your new name. Type in your desired new name, ensuring it follows the game's rule. No offensive language or restricted characters. Complete the process. Confirm the name change. A fee may be required which could be paid with in-game currency. Follow any additional prompt to finalize the change. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.